and welcome. It is weekend and I am here with my shopbot number 2 and we're making a coaster holder. Oh gosh, I messed up my touch off here. Hang on just a second. There we go. You saw earlier on the computer I drew up a little like a radius type design where like a standard beer coaster will fit in there. I have these coasters laying around. I had this one custom made and I just ordered some other ones, and we have a beer garden out there where we kind of hang out and have some fun, and like, you know, this is kind of like part of the beer garden, but they're like all over the place. Wind comes in and they get blown all over the yard, so that's the reason making a holder, possibly 2 holders. Looks like we'll hold about 15, so if I make 2 holders, that will hold 30. That should be pretty good. All right, here we go. Alright, here's the final product. I think it came out really nice. Got the 2 designs on each side, glued it together. You can see this is poplar wood, which has a kind of greenish color to it, and I used Minwax gunstock, kind of a reddish stain. That's something I had in stock, and I wanted to kind of build a little contrast. This is dark walnut on the table. This is dark walnut on this sign, so I thought maybe a reddish will kind of set it apart a little bit. But yeah, this will kind of sit on a table. This is our Stammtisch sign I made last year, so this will just kind of sit here and you can just do your business. Alright, this is it for today. If you guys like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Can't even speak today. Thumbs up, and I hope you guys have a good day. Hope you have a good rest of the week, and I see you guys next time. Servus.
Ooh, and then you asked me if I would come along.